Welcome to User Questions, where I answer your most pressing questions about using Matomo. Matomo being the leading alternative web analytics platform. And let's see what this user wants to know. So this user's question is, I've got visits that go for 0 seconds, how's that even possible? Well, it's possible because Matomo measures time between actions. So if someone lands on your web page and then closes the browser, goes to a different tab, or just completely quits from your website, it's got no way of measuring how long they've been on the page. Here's an example of what one of these visits would look like. So you can see here on the Matomo demo website, there's a visit that's only got one action or one page view, and if we mouse over it, it gives us more details. And it says time on page of 0 seconds, which is pretty unlikely unless they quit instantly after the tracker was loaded. There's a pretty easy way around this issue for either the standard tracking code or the tag manager. Hopefully using a tag manager because it'll be super easy for you, but if you're using the old school tracking code, this is what you need to do. So here's the old school tracking code. Perhaps you already got this on your website and you recognize it already. We just need to alter this code slowly. Yes, you have to go through and update your website to add just an extra line to enable the heartbeat tracker. So here in the developer guide, it tells us what to do. We just need to add this line of code to our tracking code. Just pop it in there and update the tracking code on your website. So if you included the tag manager in your website, you would have made or there might have already been made a Matomo variable. And we just need to edit that to tell it to start using the heartbeat timer. So here's our variable, Matomo configuration. It's usually what it's called. And we just click on the edit button. If we scroll down, we've just got a tick box here that says enable heartbeat timer, and the timer is set to 15 seconds. So if someone does quit before 15 seconds, it'll still be a 0 second visit, and you can turn it down to 5 seconds. But whenever you reduce that time, obviously it's going to be sending more data. Sending data every 5 seconds to your endpoint. So whether you want that to happen or not, I'm not too sure, but 15 seconds seems like a pretty good time to make sure that those one-page visits are all tracked properly, or the last visit in there, or the last page in their visit is also tracked. Important to note, if someone does visit your web page and you don't have a heartbeat timer configured, but an event happens on the page, then that visit won't be 0 seconds, it'll be up to that event firing in the website. So hopefully you found that useful. If you have any questions yourself, by all means add them to the comments and I'll see if I can reply to them. If you want to keep up to date with my latest tips and tricks, definitely subscribe. Thanks for watching.